Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah! Oh yeah, there's Christmas lights up there. I'm in my bedroom right now. This is a whatnot video. And the person's link will be down below once I find out where it came from. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Their link will be down below. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. Yeah, alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. The person's name is Dooley. I guess as in Dooley pickup. Dooley. Dual wheels, Dooley. His link will be down below. As soon as I tell you what, some of these streamers take these boxes together like they don't want you to open your precious items. Guess what, Dooley? Gotta do better next time. Because I got the goods. I got the goods, yes. Yes, I got it open. Yep, Dually. I don't know. Oh boy, what do I got here? What do I got here? This lighting's gonna be suck. Calendar Girl series. Ooh, for I can't even see what the heck this thing is. I know it's a Jeep. Come on, where the heck? Come on. That's pretty cool, Coca-Cola. I'm in my room, as I said. A couple minutes ago. Yeah, I got that dirt cheap, I think. Whatever that thing, big thing was. What's this thing? I don't remember getting those two big things. Alright. What do we got here? 2006 new models. Oh, that's nice. It's a Volkswagen. That's nice. That's nice. I like that. Oh, here's another one. 2006. Looks like a Volkswagen. Oh yeah, that's nice. What's that say? Combi. Yes, that's what they're called, Combi. It's pretty cool. I like that. What do we got here? Here is a pavement pounder. That's pretty. I like that. It's pretty cool. Thank you, Dooley. What's this one? Another pavement pounder. Got these two pretty cheap. Kind of light though. The truck on this one looks goofy. But thank you very much, Mr. Dooley. Do I have everything? Yeah, I got everything. So thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good night. Peace. Go Birds.